Let's explore how Industry 4.0 transforms maintenance practices and optimizes processes through emerging technologies. Maintenance has always been crucial for ensuring operational efficiency and productivity. However, with the advent of Industry 4.0, maintenance practices are undergoing a significant shift. Industry 4.0, also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, encompasses the integration of advanced technologies and data-driven approaches to revolutionize industrial processes. One of the key components of Industry 4.0 is the utilization of cutting-edge technologies to transform maintenance operations. Let's explore some of these technologies and their practical applications. IoT enables predictive maintenance by using sensors and connected devices to collect real-time data on equipment health and performance. The data points are transmitted to a centralized maintenance system where advanced analytics and machine learning predict potential failures. This proactive approach allows maintenance technicians to receive predictive alerts, enabling them to schedule maintenance activities in advance, reducing unexpected breakdowns and maximizing equipment uptime. Augmented reality, AR, is another technology revolutionizing maintenance. By overlaying digital information onto the real-world environment, technicians can access real-time instructions, visualize complex procedures, and troubleshoot equipment issues more efficiently. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are another innovation transforming maintenance processes. These robots can assist technicians by performing repetitive or physically demanding tasks, freeing up their time to focus on more complex activities. By harnessing the power of big data analytics, maintenance professionals can optimize maintenance schedules, identify potential issues proactively, and make data-driven decisions to enhance overall equipment effectiveness. These technologies are driving a shift from reactive to proactive maintenance practices, enabling organizations to achieve higher efficiency, reduced downtime, and increased productivity.